Hello, we just wanted to take a moment and say thank you for being a House of Hope leader. Thank you for investing in people and for taking the time to open up your home and to invest in people.
Houses of Hope is a great way to fellowship and commune with the people God puts in your life, like your church friends, new guests, co-workers, and neighbors. A great way to entertain is by providing a meal for them.
That's right, and one of the ways that you can do that is you can provide the first meal, and then you can have a sign-up sheet for people that may want to provide the next meal and the subsequent meals after that once your small group gets started.
Yes. We have a great series coming up for Houses of Hope in September and October. And a great way to start the group is by prayer and an icebreaker. With the icebreaker, you can get engaged with the people around you and get to know who is around you. Pastor's going to let us know what those curriculums are coming up.
That's right. In September, we're going to be going through a sermon series called Back to School, and it's the basics of the Christian faith, what we believe, and why. The second series in October is going to be called Activated, activating your faith through the power that's available to every believer. The icebreakers and the discussion questions will reflect the sermon that was previously spoken about that Sunday. So if someone missed it, they'll be able to still get caught up in the group.
Yes. Getting familiar with the material is ideal and key for asking and answering questions that the people around you might have. So I would encourage you to be prayed up and studied up for your first Houses of Hope.
That's right. Houses of Hope goes off the scripture we find in Acts 2:42. And it says that every day they continued to meet together in the temple courts. They broke bread in their homes and ate together with glad and sincere hearts. It also tells us in 1 Peter 4:9 to be hospitable to one another without complaint. Houses of Hope is a great way to show hospitality to your friends, coworkers, and neighbors that may otherwise not have a place to connect.
Yes. And prayer. Prayer is key. Opening in prayer and closing in prayer. Taking up prayer requests is a great way to follow up with people and to get everybody else engaging when it comes to prayer.
That's right. That's how we're actually going to take attendance this time when we are doing our small group, is we are actually going to make a prayer list at the very end of the session. Make sure that you leave time for prayer before your group ends and that you take everyone's name down and the prayer request that they may have. If they don't have a prayer request, you can still write their name down, keep track of who's here each week, and also ask about how is that prayer request going, and let's turn that into a praise report.
Yes, and following up is very, very ideal. Some people get busy, and some people just need that extra push to say, hey, we enjoy having you. Here at Grace Hope Church, we are so excited to have you join us on this journey with our Houses of Hope.
Again, thank you so much for investing in people and being a House of Hope leader. We also want to encourage you to think about continuing your group after October through Right Now Media and the curriculum that will be available to our entire church at that time. So we want to just let you know again, thank you so much for stepping up and being involved, investing in people. It's going to be worth it. It's a journey, and the reward is worth it. So thanks so much.
Thank you.